Hey guys, Two Dopes from Jersey here, and today we have a special guest.
Mom.
Maggie's mom, Joe.
The dope mom.
Joe
dope
Mama.
Dope mom.
And today we're gonna make the quintessential Jersey meal.
Pork roll.
Egg.
Cheese. Okay, so everyone from Jersey knows there's a huge debate. Is it pork roll? Is it Taylor ham? People get very passionate about it. We're from North Jersey. We call this Taylor ham. People in the South, they call it pork roll. Either way, it's delicious. So the first thing you need to do is slice the Taylor ham for your pork roll, egg, and cheese sandwich.
So first you gotta preheat your pan, and then the pork roll, Taylor ham, whatever your preference is, goes right in the pan. If you could only smell how good this is. Come here, come on in. And you see the pork roll starting to split. Get a little burn.
We need the egg. This is essential to the Jersey experience, the egg. Listen to that sizzle. The corners get nice and brown.
Here comes the cheese. Wait! Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is a pork roll, egg, and cheese, done proper.
Cheers to that. Dink.
Oh God.
Oh God.
So good.